There is a principle in chemistry and physics that pertains to everything. That in the chemistry books, they teach you about this principle called positive and negative energy. Okay, then they also teach you about positive and negative charges, which energy and charges are pretty well synonymous. They mean the same thing. So, what we need to know, though, is that there's one principle where positive and negative in chemistry doesn't actually mean positive charge when something is positive, and doesn't mean negative charge when something is negative. In chemistry, they assign a negative to a chemical that is negative, as in subtracted from charge. Okay, it's not a positive charge, it's not a plus energy, it's plus negative energy, which is the opposite, or negative, which is plus energy in chemistry. What that means, that's very confusing, but it's mathematical instead of energy terms. There's a difference between a mathematical term and a physical energy of positive and negative. You need to know the difference, because it can be very confusing in chemistry. When they say a molecule is negative, it's actually positively charged, because it has pulled away, something has been pulled away from it. It has been subtracted. Okay? So, but it's actually positively charged. It's just been subtracted of electrons. Okay? In chemistry, when we move an electron away from an atom, it is negative, subtracted from negative charge. Therefore, the chemical itself is positively charged, but still negative for subtraction. Okay? Because we work in charges and positive and negative numbers. They're two different things. Okay? You can subtract something and it can still be positive. This is a physical phenomenon that is understood as the ability to have something positive and negative at the same time. Okay? And this is in physics and chemistry. You need to know this before you become a physicist or a chemist. Like, if I subtract an electron from a neutral atom that's in the neutral state, the ground state, and once I do, it becomes positively charged and the atom becomes more unstable. And that means it has positive energy. But it's still negative for an electron, but positive for charge. Got to understand this principle. It's two opposites happening at the same time.